Happy evening. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our Love Wall podcast and announcement of the winners of the Spoken Poetry Contest. So today is February 22 and thank you very much for tuning in sa amo ang short podcast this evening. So here with me are the officers of DCCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative. So allow me to introduce them. Na Adri. Okay, so akong gi-check sa akong end, maayo ang atong audio. Okay, so first off, we have the member of DYZLC Board of Directors. We have Director Mary Grace T. Abrasaldo. Hello, Director Mary Grace.
Hello everyone.
Ayan. Hopefully nakita to siya, pero pwede na ako i-stop share. Wait lang, kana. So that you can see the beautiful faces of our officers. Okay, once again, our member of the board of directors from BAIS, Director Mary Grace Abrasaldo.
Hello everyone. Good evening.
Ayan. We also have the vice chairperson of the DYZLC Audit Committee, hailing from asa gikaron Jazz.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Ayan, wala si Jasmine diri sa Koan, sa Negros. Naa siya sa if
Sa
I'm not mistaken,
Bicol.
Bicol. Yeah, Bicol.
Oo.
Nasa Bicol si Jasmine. Bisag layo si Jasmine, pero still, she is active yun gihapon sa DYCLC. So, Jasmine Grace Galientes. And we also have another Jasmine, the Secretary of the DYCLC Education, Training, and Information Committee. We have Jasmine E. Suerte.
So, good morning everyone. Good morning sa ga-watch sa atong live karon.
Wow, salamat, salamat. Thank you everyone sa mga naminaw sa atong live ug nagtanaw sa atong live. Unsa man ang atong topic this evening? So among i-share sa inyo ha and i-discuss tong mga messages nga gisend sa atong anonymous senders sa atong love wall during sa Valentine's Day, and we will be announcing the winners of the spoken poetry contest. Okay. So the officers can now continue.
So good evening everyone. So last February 14, 2025, we posted the video performances of the participants of the spoken poetry contest and messages from the love wall. And today we will be reading all the messages from the love wall and say something about it. Like ganing unsa ang mga gipangsulti, kung kani bang mga message nila kagikan ba sa ilahang loved ones or para sa ilang loved ones, para sa ilahang mga friends, ayon ana. And then we'll also give some thoughts, opinions about it and share pod. And pwede po maka-comment dahil mo kung sa inyong ma-feel, unsa inyong thoughts sa gisulti dito o amo apod sa iyang basahon. So, daghan tayo ni participate sa ato ang nahitabo nga spoken poetry contest, and all I can say is maayo jud kaayo ang tanan, deserving jud kaayo sa tanan ang nga sila ang mga ni-appeal ani, mga talented jud kaayo ning mga ato ang mga kaubanan. And then so kanang karon is we will proceed sa ato ang love wall.
Yes, ang atong
Okay, so indeed, Valentine's Day is about celebrating relationships of all kinds, romantic, platonic, familial, and self-love. So the Love Wall is a vibrant and interactive concept designed to celebrate love, connection, and shared experiences. Now we will read the heartfelt messages posted on our Love Wall. So I'm very excited na jud to read sa mga messages nga unsay gipangbutang sa atong DYZLC members. So, Jasmine, Grace, could you please read the first message?
Yes, Jazz. So excited na jud ko aning first nato nga message, no? We have the love. Without you, I'm nothing. With you, I'm something. And together, we are everything. Uy, ka-sweet ba, oy? So I do believe na this one is really what I read na if yung dalawa doon na couple is they are if sila dalawa ay together, they are one. Sana all.
Okay, so that was so sweet. Jud, tinuod gyud siya. And the next nga message nga atong na-receive from our love wall kani. Oo, Happy Valentine's Day, DCCCO Bais. So kani siya no, gisend gani for DCCCO Bais nga possibly sa mga staff or mga members. And naapoy ni greet og happy holiday. So wow. Oh, bisag mga short messages lang ni siya, but kani inyong mga messages nga ah heartfelt kaayo amo dyan na siyang i-appreciate. Ay by the way, at naanay mga ni-comment sa ato ang live this evening. So from Rose Jane C. Gakang, na greeting from Rose Jane, from Princess Eve, Montesino Fortos, and Manili Nemenzo and Zaira Tres Pieces. Maayong gabi ninyo dira. Salamat kaayo sa pag-comment and pag-engage sa atong live karong gabi una.
Next is, hi, thank you for giving me a second chance. Bisan pa man sa akong kabadlungon og pagkasipyat, but gihatagan gihapon ko nimo og second chance. Paningkamutan nako nga dili nako sayangon ang chance nga imong gihatag diri nako. Wow, second chance. I admire you from afar. Thank you also for understanding who am I today and who I'm now become with. I'm here to support you no matter what happened. Always pray to God that ma-achieve nimo ang imong mga dreams, nga ganahan yung mitabo sa imong life. Ayaw kaula og na kay problema do lang nako katabangan tika kutob sa akong makaya. Again, thank you so much and I love you as a friend. Allah, as a friend ra ba jud ni?
Wag yun as a
Seryoso.
friend.
As a friend ra ba jud ni murag something deep na jud ni siya. But anyways, kung kinsa man ang nisandaan ni, tsada jud kaayo siya kay even if like anonymous lang ni siya pagka-send pero dagkan pud noon nga naka-feel pod ani kay kana ganing sa gipanghatag ng mga second chance, grabe na kaayo na siya pod. And then salamat pod kini yung kadiri nga I admire you from afar, nga nang from afar raman jud ni nga pwede man jud sultion, nga pwede man jud kausati nga uy
Kalisod
ga-advise ko
man.
nimo. Ala, ayun na patorpe-torpe na ron. Oy, karong panahon na di na angay sa patorpe-torpe na unsa. Kuha na taron mga Gen Z. And ana. So kana siya kay thank you for understanding. So kana siya nga term jud understanding. Dako deep na siya, di lang ka makaingon ana nga kanang mabaw lang na siya kay if ever ma-understand ka sa usa ka tawo, grabe ka ayon na siya. Murag gi-accept ana niya as a whole. Gi-accept niya ang imuhang flaws, imuhang mga mistakes, gi-accept ka niya as to kung unsa jud ka. And then nabutang pagka pod nga always pray to the God. So dapat jud mo-pray ta ni God and then ato isalig niya tanan kay ma-achieve jud nimo tanang mitabo sa imong life if si God ang imong i-priority. If imo i-priority si Lord, ang tanan kay musunod lang jud na siya. And then kanang if ever gani nga naa problema pod, again, pwede mo makaduol sa inyong closest friends, pwede mo maka-open up ani nila, and then kanang ganing dapat dili umaola mo share sa inyong thoughts and opinions. Spread positivity ta karon guys. And dapat pod nga sa uban nga if ever musulti inyo ang mga friends, ma-open up ninyo, dapat dili na to sila i-judge. Ato sila i-understand. Dapat lang taw na to ang both sides gani. Dapat nga dili ta mo jump into conclusions. And dapat jud nga tabangan na to sila in a way nga makatabang pod sa tanan. Again, like duda jud ko ding I love you as a friend oh. Pero sige, sige, goods kaayo na.
Okay, sa atong next nga message to you, my dearest friend. My heart's deepest gratitude that your kindness has brightened my darkest days. You are the sun in my sky, the moon in my night. I'll prove that I am better than him. Whoa. If choose me, I swear that girl will be the lucky of my life. Wow. So
Woo!
kani siyang message no kay more siya heartfelt nga confession of gratitude and love. So iyang phrase nga you are the sun in my sky, the moon in my night. Kay more siya someone niya, kaning friend. I don't know kung friend ba ni kay has been a source of light and comfort on in their darkest moments kani nga ga write ani nga message. And mo po siya suggest nga this person or the friend is a person guides uh, who is a guide and light both in good times and bad times. So kani pong second part nga I'll prove that I'm better than him. If choose me, I swear that girl will be lucky of my life. So more siya ga-imply nga kaning sender is competing for someone's love. Oh, yeah, I'm better than him. Wow, I love the confidence. Keep it up. So, kaniya siya nga message, there's a mix of admiration and a promise nga to be a better partner if given a chance. So, I love it. Go for it and good luck. Okay.
Okay, so for our next message, hi Mike, know that I'm always here for you. Wow naman. So speaking of confidence nga giingon ni Jasmine, ay ka-shout out jud kaayo niyang si Mike. Sana all know that si Mike pod no will be always there for you. Okay.
Wow. For our last message, we have Basta Valentines para sa akong pamilya ordinaryo ra gyud ni nga adlaw. Makakaon sa katulo sa usa ka adlaw, lipay nami tibuok pamilya. Kay lagi wala gyud ikagasto pinansyal para mag-celebrate, mag-date tibuok pamilya, bisan pa man og labi na gyud nga sama nako nga usa ka babayi ug usa ka inahan makakilig gyud unta ug maka-celebrate og Valentine's kuyog ang pamilya. Dili makadawat og flowers o chocolates. Pero naanad naman maong happy gihapon basta maayo lang ug lawas bahalag walay kwarta, kompleto na gyud ang adlaw namong mga pobre. Happy Valentine's everyone and God bless. Thank you naka-share ko. So tinuod jud no nga although malipay man gyud ta as a woman, malipay man gyud ta nga makadawat og mga gifts, may it be flowers or chocolates during Valentine's Day, but ang point is ang gugma dapat ma-share gyud sa usag-usa. So sa iyahang gi-share diri, mas gipili niya nga kumpleto sila bahalag pobre, bahalag dili kayo daghan ang kwarta para to celebrate Valentine's, mas gipili niya nga close siya with her family. Okay, ang pinaka-importante man gyud is ang kanang love and harmony sa usa ka pamilya. So kung anang gihapon ma'am, we will wish gyud nga always mo nga loving sa inyong family, whatever mahitabo or whatever unsa man ang mga challenges nga moabot, ato ra dyong kanang what's the term? Kanang always mo rain ra gyud ang love with each other. Okay. So ato namang yung gibuhat ni for 3 years in a row ning ato ang shout out, ato ang love wall, no? So ang akong hunahuna is baso no katong mga ni share sa una, katong ilang mga gipangtaguan nga mga feelings. Bason karon dili na pud to ginataguan na. Hopefully through this shout out is naagid to'y na-express gid to. And naabot gid to na-receive gid to siya sa ato ang mga receivers. Okay, so salamat kaayo sa atong mga senders. If you are watching, thank you so much for being courageous enough to share your feelings diri sa atong love wall. We really appreciate your courage and your confessions. Now, we will proceed with the spoken poetry contest. Okay. So, last February 14, atong gi-post sa ato ang TikTok account. If wala pa mo naka-follow sa atong TikTok account, ang atong name dito is DCCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative. We have 19 entries nga na-receive before February 14, but unfortunately, some of them wala nakasulod sa preliminaries tungod sa mga disqualifications. So we provided an email and an appreciation for those nga ni-appeal gyud sa atoang contest. Out of the 19 na atay napilian nga, if I'm not mistaken, almost mga 9. Then out of the 9, 3 ang mudaog nato, first, second, and third. So unsa man ning spoken poetry contest. So this contest provides a platform for poets to express themselves through spoken words and to celebrate the art of performance poetry in a digital space. So without further ado, before that amo sang basahon ang mga rewards or unsay madawatan sa atong mga winners and consolation winners nato sa atong contest.
So, mauna jud di siya usas mga gipaabot sa mga kadaghanan. So, ang gipakita nato diri is winners will receive certificates of recognition and cash prizes as a reward for their outstanding contribution. The first place or the champion will receive 2,000 pesos. The second place will receive 1,500 pesos. The third place shall receive 1,000 pesos. Consolation prizes of 500 pesos will be awarded to participants who do not win, ensuring that everyone's effort is acknowledged and appreciated. So sa mga nangapil ani, congratulations and you're all winners. Sa mga hearts.
Okay, now let's announce the third placer. So ang mo-announce nato si Miss Jasmine.
Okay, so ready na ba ang tanan nga makabalo kinsa ang naka-place? No? So for our third placer, congratulations to Luchini Magsigay from Karkar branch. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Lucini. If you want to view or listen to the poetry of Lucini, kindly search DCCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative on TikTok. Okay, next for our second place.
Yes. So ang atong second placer is congratulations, Zaira P. Trespices from Kabangkalan branch. Congrats.
Wow, congratulations. Actually si Kuan ganini si Zaira ganina ni comment siya. I think she is watching sa atong live karong gabi una. Congratulations, Zaira. And for our champion or our first placer. Okay, for our first placer, big congratulations to Enson Jane Gakang of DCCCO San Carlos branch. Wow, congratulations. So sila tanan maayo man jud kaayo ang pagkahimo no. Believe na jud ko sa mga kabataan karon kay you really have the talent and of course the confidence. Congratulations to our major prize winners. And sa ato ang mga non-winners, atong masahon ang ato ang mga ni-appeal ng mga kabataan.
So for our consolation prizes or winners, here are the list. Lufranza T. Magsigay from Karkar branch. Congrats! Zion Marty M. Gonzaga from Gihongan branch. Shania Nicole B. Kalipan from Kabangkalan branch. Sander Kame E.A. Sateo from Bais branch. Eliza G. Virgeno from Bayawan branch. And last but not the least, Rain Carl L. Palconit from Karkar branch. Thank you. Congrats, everyone.
Thank you very much. And that
So,
wraps up our spoken poetry contest 2025. Wow.
so thank you so much to all the YZLC members for participating in our events. And with that, we wrap up our spoken poetry contest. A huge congratulations to our winners and a heartfelt thank you to everyone who poured their emotions and creativity into their pieces. So to all the YZLC members, thank you for your participation and support in making this event a success. We hope you continue to share your passion and talent. And until next time,
Yes, don't forget also to register to our 5th Annual General Assembly this coming March 9, 2025. See you!
See you, everyone. So this is how we can register to the 5th Annual General Assembly. Register through the link or scan this QR code. So kaning makita nyo sa screen, you can scan the QR code and directly fill out the registration form. If dili mo maka-fill out online, you can visit our membership services division from Tuesdays to Saturdays. You can also coordinate with your Aflatun partner schools, your Aflatun teacher coordinators. So our registration, by the way, started last February 1, 2025, and it will end by March 6, 2025. On March 9, you can join the assembly through Zoom or in person or uh, watch the Facebook Live on our private group. So all members of DYZLC age 7 to 17 years old as of February 28 can join, and you are all invited to attend the 5th Annual General Assembly. Wow. So let me read the comments na to, no? Kay we have received congratulations from the viewers. Oh, niya si Sir Kerwin, branch manager of San Carlos. He is watching. Ano siya? Yay! Congratulations. And si ato ang previous former HR manager or HR officer, Ma'am Edeline Catan. Okay, thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Salamat kaayo, Jasmine Grace, Jasmine, and Mary Grace for your
Thank
time.
you. Thank you, everyone.
And
Thank you, everyone.
thank
thank you
you.
everyone.
And see you po sa atong mga upcoming activities. Bye everyone.